If you're looking to purchase property in British Columbia, but you don't really want to be paying a mortgage, you don't want to be dealing with tenants right now, but you want to get your feet in the game, you want to actually do invest because you do see there is opportunity with the downward market, a good option to pick is pre-sales. So a pre-sale is a tower, a building, a complex, a home that isn't built yet. It's going to be built in 2 to 10 years out, but they're advertising it now, and you're able to get in now before it's built, because developers, of course, would like that deposit money to help actually build the project, 2, 3, 4 years down the line. Now, this is great for people who don't want to deal with a high interest rate now. 2022 is like 5.5 for fixed rate mortgages. It's also great for people who aren't wanting to deal with any tenants. If you're wanting to sell in the future, but you have to get a tenant in there, it's a lot of work. You gotta either find the tenants yourself, property manager. There's a few headaches in that sense as well. So a few people are actually turning to pre-sales. I shouldn't say few people, a lot of people are. It's a great option to get in with a great investment if you know where to look. Basically, you're buying the rights to a contract, you're buying this property, and you are going to be holding it for a period of time. And when it's complete, you can either sell then, or you could sell halfway through, 3/4, 75% through, to get a better bang for your buck. So if you invest $50,000 into a pre-sale, your condo went from $550,000 to $600,000. That $50,000 profit you'll be able to get. There's a few expenses such as assignment fees. You might have to pay real estate fees, legal fees, but other than that, you're going to be actually getting a percentage of that back of your $50,000. You can make 10, 15, 25% within a short time, 2-3 years. Plus, you don't have to go through the headaches of getting a tenant in, or dealing with interest rates, being approved for a mortgage. You don't have to talk to anyone like that. So it's a great way for people who don't think they can get even approved for a mortgage to get in the game, make some money almost passively.